YouTube, what's going on? I sprained my ankle the other day, looking like a thick Venetian ham. And of course, free foot pics for all the subscribers. But let's get into today's video. We have a brand new unboxing from Kinetic Kings. Let's open this up and see what's inside. A lot of really scrumptious looking goodies here. Everything from shorts to tops and a personalized note. Hey Tom, hope you love our merch. Use the code HEATLEDGER for a discount. Info in the description box. Let's open these up and check them out. All right, I had to start with the coolest short in the entire haul. Man, this is called the Dawn Family short. You got Al Pacino, you got De Niro, you got the whole Goodfellas cast and crew. Check this out, man. Tony Soprano and The Godfather. Like, this is, all in all, such a sick short. You got each panel representing some classic mafia TV shows and films. So cool. Really nice. Black and white. And then to the touch, you guys won't know, but these are super silky, soft, and smooth. I'm going to be wearing these casually. This is a size small. I'm going to say that it does fit true to size. I typically wear like a medium short. These guys are always sold out. So if you see this right now and you're on the website, I would suggest getting it because they do restock often, but sizes just go. Next up, we have this beautiful chains graphic here. I was asking my wife what this reminds her of. She said Sub-Zero, Mortal Kombat, 90s vibes. I completely agree. I think it also kind of has like a Y2K kind of vibe. Really, really nice coloring on this. I'm going to wear this obviously casually, but also you can wear it for ball. And then the material, as I said, very nice light mesh. This is their fundamental short. It's going to be worn casually. It's worn for sport. They have the embroidered kind of logo there. Really nice. Really breathable and lightweight. Beautiful short. And what's a shorts collection without some flower vibes? Look at that. Rose. Some beautiful graphics on this one. It has very kind of Asian vibes. They have a whole bunch of other Asian-inspired graphics. I am half Asian, so this one really spoke to me. There's a few others that were unfortunately sold out. They do restock pretty often on some of the other graphics. I think this one sold out at the time of me making this video, but you guys can get a really good idea of the quality. And this would look really nice with, I think, you know, you can wear your bread or band ones with this, with the red pop. If you have the Tiana Taylor Jordan 1s, that would work too. Tons of other shoes you can wear with this. Tons of new Jordan releases and upcoming releases of, you know, Nike, Jordan, any brand that you're really into that can kind of match with a lot of these different really nice colors. Again, this is the fundamental short. Really lightweight, breathable, odorless, and yeah, just a really nice graphic overall. All right, and we know cigarettes are bad for you, but what an iconic branding with the Marlboro inspired logo, Kinetic coming right across the bottom, and then the iconic red on the top. Such a nice pair here. I like this one because it's very noticeable as to what brand it's kind of like gained that kind of inspiration from. Again, really nice, all white on the back. This would really pair well. I think, again, with some, you know, band Jordan ones, you can wear, you know, black toe ones. A lot of really great primary colors here, Chicago colors. You can do a lot with this short. Really nice one here. Right, y'all, you know we couldn't just do shorts, right? We had to get a pair of their activewear pants. These are really nice. And look at that graphic there. You have, I guess these are dogs, coyotes. I'm not too sure. Kinetic branding down the side. This is like, honestly, I want to say silk, but it's not. This is like almost like satin silk. Very nice to the touch. This is going to be more of like an activewear pant, in my opinion. Probably could be worn different ways. Has a little bit of that activewear kind of cuffing on the bottom, but it's not too intense. And then you have the graphic that actually goes from the front all the way to the back. Pretty nice little piece. Honestly, you could wear this just coming out of the gym, you know, leaving the court after you're playing or something. This is a super nice feeling pant. I love the graphics. Something different. All right, and Kinetic Kings, they have built their name off their amazing shorts, but they are now offering a lot of different categories. This is the button down in houndstooth. I want to show you guys. Oh, it's not even going to do it justice on the screen, but look at the material there. It's really nice, really premium, very lightweight. This is going to be something I'm going to wear in the spring. You have the short sleeve look there. I think this paired with some shorts, it's going to look really nice. If you want that kind of grown man dressy look, you're going out to a nice lunch, you're going out to a nice dinner, you just want to look fly out there this summer, this spring, definitely check this out. I mean, this is a really fly little design. It's not too loud, it's not too crazy. I'm going to just say the highlight is definitely that material. It is lightweight, but it is very kind of like it has that premium feel, right? It's nothing like something super thin. I could feel like all the different kind of stitchings and all that kind of stuff. So really nice shirt here. All right, y'all. And lastly, I'm in Canada, man. You had to add a long sleeve in here. It's chilly. It's not too warm out here just yet. So this is a really, really great little option. Again, nice material, polyester, 100% made in the USA, like everything else they have, specifically made in LA. But again, this is a nice little kind of grown man's piece here. Dinner, date night. I would throw a fitted on with this one here. I would say for the shirts, guys, if you want to stay snug, go true to size. I would say if you want a little bit of extra room, go a size up. I typically wear like a large if I want it to be kind of loose. This fit me perfectly like a large as expected. I would say though, if you want something a little bit looser, a little bit more room, go up to the XL. You know, you can actually layer it and do all that kind of stuff. If you want something a bit more snug and form-fitting, you can either go true to size or go a size down. But that's just my opinion. I'll leave my stats down below as well so you can check it out. All right, you guys, if you made it this far, appreciate you watching. Beautiful little haul here for the fundamental shorts, some activewear pants, and 2 of the grown man tops. I will leave the information in the description box down below. Be sure to use code HEATLEDGER if you're ordering anything off the site, but don't sleep. These guys sell quickly. They do a lot of restocks, but don't wait on it, man. So make sure you get in there. Check out some of the shorts. Check out some of the tops. Let me know if you have comments down below. If you have any sizing questions as well, you can let me know. Shoot me an email or leave me a comment down below. Again, appreciate the good folks over at Kinetic Kings. Dude, he's signing out. Peace.